Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making some glitter gel. I watched the other day, Not a Beauty Queen 06 I believe her name is. Hello my darling if you're watching. Yeah, she got some Model 1 glitter gels, so I thought I would make some myself. So I'm just going to do two today. We'll see how they work out. So already, well, I've got these two pots. This one, it's got a tiny little bit of glitter in. I couldn't get it off the sides, so I've put this builder gel in there, and I've got a small bit left in here. So I'm going to mix some glitters, and I will do some swatches and see how they work out. I did make this one today. It's so pretty, this pink one. And I have a swatch. So I know this video is not going to be a fail because I already made one. So it's beautiful, really, really lovely. I love it so much. So sparkly. So I'm going to do a purple one and a blue one. So I think, disgusting, it's a hair. So in this one I'm going to do a purple. So I'm going to add this glitter, this one that I mixed up myself, super sparkly one. It's got some hexes and some circles. This one has some circles, and this one has some iridescent purples, and it looks like a bluey tinge. So let's get crack-a-lacking, because it seems all my videos are so bloody long. So shall I zoom you in a bit? It's a bit better, isn't it? Okay, so I'm not going to go too wild. Oh, I'm not going to go too wild and I'll pour near enough the whole jar in there. This one is gorgeous. Look how sparkly that is. I love it so much. And then lastly, I will add this iridescent one. So pretty. Okay. Put the lid on. Right. So that's my purple. And now I'm going to do the blue. Oh, I've got a little bit of white. I'll add a little bit of white in that. Okay, so I'll add some white in this. It's white, it's like iridescent, it's got iridescent pink in there. And there's some green little glitters. I love that. Yeah, I have this. I think I got for Christmas last year. It's Tanya Berg Cosmetics. And I've got a small bit of that left. So I'll just bang that in. It's beautiful. Excuse me. I've got this. God, let me get in shot so you can see. blue. I love glitter so much. It makes me very happy. Okay, I've got this that I got from AliExpress. I won't go too crazy with this. Then I have this. And then I've got this one. Okay, so give them a little mix and then I will do some swatches. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. That is so satisfying. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit. Doing this again. Oh, get back into shot. So sorry. The lighting is so shit. Oh, this is just beautiful. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so there's that one. Wipe the spatula. And we'll give this beautiful purple mix. Oh my goodness. The lighting is so bad. It looks really dark on the camera, but it's not. That sound is disgusting. Okay, I think that's about it. I wish you could see properly the colour of it. Excuse me. So now I'm going to do some swatches. I've got my little swatchy sticks. Where's my brush? Here. Oh, got my alcohol here. So I'm just going to take a blob of this. It's quite thick. Oh, I should have done it inside. I'll do that on the other one. So pretty. Okay. Then I will do this purple. I'll do the purple inside. So pretty, but I think I need to add some more glitters because it's not so glittery, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm going to wipe this off. I'll add some more glitters. Okay, purple. Okay, and I'll do the same for the blue. Oop. I can't open this one now. Let's bang that in. A little bit more white. Oh, a lot went in that. Okay. Oh God, sorry. Keep hitting you. So add this. Stir it, should I say? I love doing this. So satisfying. Purple one. This purple is just stunning. Really love this one. That noise is just disgusting. Okay, round 2. That's more better. So pretty. Do another blue one. Yeah, these are so much better. And there's that one. It's so pretty. I think I like the purple one better. Yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see any more videos like this, or if you've got any other suggestions, then please let me know. I like to be your guinea pig. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. You will see me in my next video. Bye bye.